life I cannot change. Hit it, keep off in the main. M&M's, we like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it, let it bang. Pop it, for this life I cannot change. Hit it, keep off in the main. M&M's, we like candy cane. Drop the top, pop it, let it bang.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Wait. Yeah. Put me in the booth, coach. Spit a verse with a razor in my tooth, ho. That ain't really lean, that's some nouveau. That ain't really yoker, that's a group home. Whoa. Bitch, I'm fresh to death, check the tombstone. Whoa. She say I dress the best, baby. Kudos. Whoa. You niggas ain't fucking with my new flow. No, this that new Maze, yeah. This that new Joe. Whoa. Hit the booth and it's camera time. Hit the kitchen whipping chickens, I'm in hammer time, yeah. Niggas love to hate till it's man of time, yeah. Why you acting like you know me? You ain't no friend of mine, yeah. You ain't no kin of mine. This that Harlem Renaissance, yeah. Harlem shaking on the beat like I'm Chetty Ride, yeah. Why not open all the time like I'm Fetty Wap, yeah. I'm getting to the guap, yeah. I'm getting to the guap. One night only is you in her out. She don't love us lane, I'm on a different route. Call my homie having problems trying to get her out. She got comfortable, way too comfortable. Ay, she wanna wear all my shit, no. This a Versace bitch, no way. This that she fine, she bitch, no way. Gave her some Nikes, run away, wait. Give her some Nikes, run away, wait. Ay. She wanna wear all my shit, no. This a Cavalli bitch, no way. This is the Alexander Wayne. Gave her some Nikes, run away, wait. Give her some Nikes, run away, wait. Stupid bitch, ay. Stupid bitch. Don't be acting like you don't know who this is, ay. Back up off me, you can't touch my Louis, bitch. Nah. Back up off me, you can't touch my Gucci, bitch. I got big dog status like I'm Larry Hoover, bitch. Cross him over, crucifix. Skip to my Lou and shit. Yeah, crib with a view and shit. I might dip in the pool and shit. Got a clip with a new extension. Don't make me use it, bitch. I'm like Lil Uzi. All my friends are dead. I feel a Lil Uzi. Hit me out the hand. Hey, DJ Khaled told you niggas. All I do is win. I'm with Molly, Joe, and Tim. We keep the party going till 10. She want a Rari or a Benz. I got both I'm trying to party with your friends. I hit both She wants some Molly, wants some Zans. I got both Yeah, hit it, then I ran like I stole some. You know I got one night only is you in her out. She don't love us lane, I'm on a different route. Call my homie having problems trying to get her out. She got comfortable, way too comfortable. Ay, she wanna wear all my shit, no. This a Versace bitch, no way. This that she fine, she bitch, no way. Gave her some Nikes, run away, wait. Give her some Nikes, run away, wait. Ay. She wanna wear all my shit, no. This a Cavalli bitch, no way. This is the Alexander Wayne. Gave her some Nikes, run away, wait. Give her some Nikes, run away, wait. Ay.
What you cooking?
heart.